Hi, good day. My name is Julie Caranza. I am 38 years old. I am married and I have one son. I am a caregiver and I am currently residing in Taguig, Philippines. I worked in Taiwan for almost 5 years. Took care of 85 years old grandmother and triplets age 8. My duties and responsibilities are helping them in their daily living activities such as cooking healthy foods, helping them in preparing their clothes before taking shower, tidy up their bedroom every day, teaching them in personal hygiene, accompany them in appointment to their doctors, administered medicine in according to the doctor's order and with the consent of the employer, and going out with them for walking and playing in the park. I secure their safety all the times. Going to the market every Saturday to buy some vegetables, fish, chicken, pork. And I also do cleaning, do laundry and ironing. And to my future employer, I promise you that I will do my job well and I will follow all the rules and regulations during my stay and I will finish my contract. Thank you.